హాయ్ అండి, నా పేరు విజయ నిర్మల. జుట్టు పెరగడం మొదలయ్యింది.
వేసనం చేస్తాము, ఆముదం చేస్తాము.
ఊరుగా మన ముందే తయారు చేసి ఇస్తున్నాడు.
So we are going to discuss about MySQL database and its queries. Now see here, MySQL database. For the purpose of MySQL database, here I am going to install WAMP server. Okay. Now observe carefully here. I am going to install the WAMP server. WAMP server. Okay. Now see here, what is the use of WAMP server? Why we are installing this WAMP server? WAMP server. See here, W stands for Windows. W stands for Windows. A stands for Apache Tomcat. A stands for Apache Tomcat. M stands for MySQL database, and P stands for PHP. P stands for PHP. Now if you observe this one here, for the purpose of MySQL database, we are installing the WAMP server. Now how to start the WAMP server and how we are going to work with MySQL database, now I am going to explain you. See here, first we need to start the WAMP server. Start the WAMP server, click on yes. On right side you will be getting one globe symbol. See here, this one. If you click on server offline, go to the MySQL. In that MySQL, go to the MySQL console. Okay. Now whenever you are installing the WAMP server or MySQL database, if you give any password, that password you need to give. Otherwise we don't need to give any password. Okay. Now see here. Now basically how we are going to start this database. Now first basically we need to create a database. After creating a database, we need to create tables. Now observe carefully here. First basically what we need to create a database. Now write down these things, whatever I am explaining here, write down clearly here. Now first one, create a database. How to create database? By using create database. Now 1 minute, drop database. Okay. Now see here, first I want to create one database. Observe here, create database. First we need to see what are the database we are having in the database. See here now, first basically show databases. Show databases. See here, now here are the databases. Now first we need to create one database. How to create a database? How to create a database? Create database and database. Like this we need to create one database. Here create database, database name. This is what the syntax. Okay. Note on the points. First one is create database, database name. Now second one, after creating a database, first we need to use the database. How to use the database? Use database name. Now observe here. Now if you see the databases, this one, show databases. Show databases. Now see here, here we are having Madhu database, right? Madhu DB. Now after that what we need to do? We need to use the database. Use Madhu DB. Use Madhu DB. Now the database is changed. Okay. Now the database is changed. Once if we go for Madhu DB, then what we need to do? First we need to create a table. Okay. After creating a table, we are going to insert the data, right? Now see here. Create table. For example, here I want to create a table called employee. Create table employee of. See here how we are going to create a table. Inside this, ID space int, name space, ID space int, name space, varchar. The maximum limit is 256. 256. Then salary space varchar of 256, and then address space varchar, address space varchar of 256. See here I have taken 4 fields: ID, name, salary and address. Click on enter. Now one table is created. Okay, after the table is created, next what we need to do? We need to insert the data, right? Now see here how we are going to insert the data. So like this we are going to create a table. Now here I am going to explain you how to insert the data into employee. See here, insert insert into, what is the table name here? Employee, right? Insert into employee values of, like this we need to give. Now here ID, let us take 101. Now name, give some name. Next salary, let us take some amount, and then address is Hyderabad. What happened? We have an error in SQL syntax. See here, salary we have taken what? Varchar, right? We should give in the single quotations. Now, once again check here. Here, in the single quotes, we need to give. We have an error in the SQL syntax. Insert into employee values of 101 Madhu 45,000 Hyderabad. Insert into employee values of. Insert into employee values of. Now here, give the data 101, then Madhu, then salary, then address Hyderabad. Now see here, like this we need to insert the data. I'm going to take from 4 to 5 records. Why? Because we are going to perform multiple operations on this tables. Now see here, insert into employee values of some 110 Rajesh, and salary Pune. Now, so like this we are going to insert the data. Insert into employee values of, insert into employee values of 95 Krishna, 55 Bangalore. Insert into employee values of 65 Harish, 65. Now, like this we are going to insert the data. Now see here, if you want to check the data whatever we are having in the table, how we are going to check the data? By using select query. How we are going to write the select query now? Select star from employee. See here, this from where all these are classes actually. See here, select star from employee. If you take here select star from employee, we are going to get the complete records. Okay, so if you want to read the data from a table, we are going to take what? Select star from employee. Now, if you want multiple records, but whatever the records we are having in the table, if you want to get all the data, we are going to take select star from employee. Or else, if you want to get a particular record, what we need to do? Okay, if you want to get a particular record, you need to use here where class. See here, for example, select star from employee where id is equal to 101. Like this we are going to read the data. Based on id we are going to read the data. Here where is nothing but a class. If you want to check the condition, we are going to use where. Write down these things. If you want to get all the records, select star from employee. If you want to get a particular record, we can take like this. Here I am going to insert one more record with multiple addresses. Shiva 15,000. Now see here. So based on ID we can read the data. For example here, if you check this one, select star from select star from select star from employee. So whatever the data we are having in employee table, we are going to get. Now I want to get the data only the address from Chennai. Okay, the employees are from Chennai. I want to read the data. How I am going to read the data? By using select query, select star from employee where address is equal to where address is equal to Chennai. We need to take where address is equal to Chennai. Now see here, like this we are going to get the data. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to get the data based on name, you can take name also, right? See here, select star from employee, select star from employee where name is equal to, write down these things, select star from employee where name is equal to Rajesh I want to take, for example. See here, complete data we are getting right here. For example, I want to get only names. I want to read only names from the table. How to read the data? So I want to read only names. I don't want to read remaining things. Okay. How to read the data? Select name from select, select name from employee. See here, only will be getting the names. Similarly, if you want to read only IDs, if you want to see the only IDs, how to read the data? Select select star from select star from select ID select ID from employee. That means what? We are going to get only IDs. Okay. For example, if you want to read multiple fields, I want to read only ID and name. Okay. So all these are conditions we are going to apply here. Right? So basically, select star from table name is what? Whatever the data we are having inside the table, we are going to get. If you use where condition, based on the filter criteria, we are going to read the data based on the filter criteria. So all these things we are going to apply in Java logic again. That's why here I'm explaining you these things. Okay. Now, if you want to read only names of the employees, okay, in the table, for example, if we are having 100 names, I want to see only the names. So select name from employee, select name from employee. Now see here, if you want to read only ID and names, how to read? Select ID comma name from employee, select ID comma name from employee, like this. So separately also we can take select ID name address from employee. See here now, like this we can read the data. Now see here, for example, I want to insert a new record, but I don't want to insert the address. So how we are going to insert the data? Now for example, if you insert like this, insert into employee, insert into employee values of, insert into employee values of, for example here ID 101, name Suresh, and I'm taking here only salary, only salary I'm taking here. Now if you see this, column count does not match value counted row 1. Totally how many columns we are having? Totally we are having 4 columns, but we are giving here only 3 columns, right? So if you want to insert the data, see here, if you want to insert only 3 columns, we can insert like this, insert insert into employee of, insert into employee of, you can take like this, ID comma name comma salary. I want to insert into employee of ID comma name comma salary values of. Now we can insert the data like this. Like this we are going to write the queries. Now see here, now let us take same thing. For example, 105 name Lakshman, then address, for example Hyderabad. Address, salary, right? Third one we have taken is salary. Salary, for example 25,000 I want to take. Now see here 25,000. Now see here it is successfully inserted. Query okay, one row affected. Now if you want to check the data, once again read the data, select select star from employee. Now check here. See here we have not taken, whenever we are creating a table we have not taken any not null. So we have not inserted the data, right? We have not inserted the data address. So we are getting here null value. Like this we are going to read the data. Okay. Now see here. For example, I want to delete a particular record. How to delete the data? Now see here. Delete from employee. Like this we are going to delete the data. Delete from employee. See here, if you write delete from employee, what will happen? Come, all the records is going to be deleted. Similar to select star from employee. Whenever we are using select star from employee, what we are getting, whatever the data we are having in the employee table, we are going to get. But here, if you take here similar to select star from employee, if you take delete from employee, what will happen? Whatever the data we are having inside the employee table, everything is going to be deleted. But if you want to delete a particular record, where id is equal to, for example, if I take 45 here, what will happen? That record is going to be deleted. Delete from employee where id is equal to 45 means what? A particular record is going to be deleted. Once again I am going to check here now. Select star from employee. Select star from employee. See here now, like this. So I want to delete Lakshman also now. How to delete? Based on name also we can delete, based on id it's our wish. Now see here, I want to delete the Lakshman record. Now select sorry, delete from employee, delete from employee, where, by using where class we are going to delete where name is equal to Lakshman, we need to take Laxman. Now like this also we can delete, successfully deleted. Once again check here now. Select select star from employee. See here, like this we are going to read the data. Clear? Now I'm having one requirement that I want to get based on order. Okay, I want to get based on order. How we are going to get? Now see here. So for example id I should get in increment order. See here, select star from employee, order by id. Order by id means what? It should, by default it will follow ascending order. By default it will follow what? Ascending order. If you check this one now, order by id, if you check this one, see here, actually how we are getting the data? We are getting line by line. But now here I want to get based on order. Now see here, 65, 95, 101, 110. This is what by default we are getting in ascending order. Okay. Now for example if you want to get the data in descending order, I want to get the data in descending order. How to take? Select star from employee, order by id. If you want to get in descending order, take DESC. Now see here, everything we are getting in descending order. Okay. So by default it is taking what? Order by id, ascending order. If you want to get the data in descending order, automatically we are getting in the descending order. We can take order by id or else order by id ASC also we can take. See here, for example, both are same. By default it will perform ascending order. Now check here, select star from employee, order by id ASC also we can take. See here automatically. See here, by default it is performing ascending order. Even though you take ASC or not, by default it is going to perform ascending order. Okay. So if it is a numerical value, we will be getting ascending order, and if you write DESC, by default we will be getting in descending order. Like this, we are going to write the queries. Now, same if you want to perform the order in name, how we are going to perform? It is going to perform dictionary order here. It is going to perform what? Dictionary order. See here, select select star from employee order by name, order by name. Just click on enter. Now see here, we are getting in the dictionary order. If you observe the name, we will be getting in dictionary order. The same name, dictionary order, if you want to get in reverse, we need to take what? Select star from employee, select star from employee, order by name, order by name, order by name, DESC. See here now how we are getting reverse order we are going to get. Similarly, if you want to get the order in salary also, if you want to get in ascending order, same how we are going to take? Select star from employee, not on these points. Select star from employee, order by salary, order by salary. See here, we are getting in order now. Same, if you want to get in descending order, select star from employee, order by salary, DESC we need to take. Now see here, select star from employee, order by salary, take here DESC. Okay. Now see here, now we are going to get the data in descending order. Now similarly for address also, if you want to get the in order format, if you want to follow here dictionary order, again same, select star from employee, select star from employee, order by address. Now if you observe the address here, see here, first we are getting Bangalore, then Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. Now if you want to get in reverse order, same, select select star from employee, select star from employee, order by address, descending order. Now see here, we are getting the data in descending order. Clear? Now, so we have seen some of the queries. Now here I am going to explain you some functions we are having. Okay. Most probably we are going to write these queries inside the our Java program. So whenever we are writing there, we need to get some idea, right? That's why here we are explaining all these things. Now, if you observe this one here, for example, if you want to get only first record, okay, see here, if you want to get only first record, how we are going to get? Basically, how we are going to take here? Select star from employee, right? Select star from employee. See here, we are going to get all the data. Now, select star from employee. If you want to get, select star from employee limit 1. Now see here, only we will be getting the first record. Okay. For example, if you want to get first 2 records, what we need to take? Same, star from select star from employee. If you want to get only 2 records, limit 2. Like this we are going to get. Okay. Like this we are going to work with the queries. And one more thing, see here, I want to get the order in ID. I want to perform order by in ID, and I want to get only 2 records. Okay. Now how I am going to work this? See here, select star from employee, order by ID. I need to follow the order, and in that I want only first 2 records. Like this we can take. See here. Now I want to get last 2 records based on the descending order. Based on descending order, I want to get last 2 records. How we are going to take? See here. Select star from employee, order by ID, order by id, I need to get in descending order, and last two records I want limit 2. See here, this is what the last two records, right? Like this we are going to read the data. Now we are having some functions. So how we are going to use the functions? What are the functions we are having? For example, before that, if you want to count the number of records in your table, okay, if you want to count the number of records in your table, so we are having a predefined function called count. Select, see here, select select count of star from employee. Select count of star from employee. See a total how many records we are having? 4 records. Okay, and one more thing, in your table, if you want to see what are the fields you are having and what are the data type we are having, how we are going to check? How we are going to check now? See here, just describe employee. If you want to see what are the fields you are having, just we can take like this. Describe employee, what we are having? ID, name, and salary we are having. Okay, now I'm having a new requirement that, now see here, totally we are having 4 fields, right? Select star from employee. If you want to see the data, we are going to take select star from employee, right? Now I'm having a new requirement that I want to add a new column. I want to add a new column. How to add new column? We are going to use alter command. Okay, we are having another command called alter command. Now see here how we are going to add one thing. Alter table employee. Alter table employee. We need to add some field, right? So I want to add the designation of the employee. Here we don't have any designation, right? Now see here, add designation. So designation data type is what here? Varchar. Varchar of maximum limit is 256. Okay, 256. That's it. Now see here, that's it, right? Now if you check this one, now the new column is added. If you want to add a new column, we are going to use alter command. Or if you want to do any modifications, again, that means what? If you want to do any modification on the table, then we are going to use alter command. Now check here again, select star from select star from select star from employee. Okay, now see here, designation is added. For example, if you want to add multiple columns, okay, I want to add here multiple columns. How we are going to add? Now check here, alter table employee. See here, add age space int. Okay, add age space int. After address I want to add, for example, after address I want to add one more thing. I want to add, right? See here now, add, I want to add some surname, or add department. I want to add department. Now see here, varchar of 256. For example, I want to take 256. Now add age, alter table employee. For example, if you want to add multiple columns, how we are going to add? There we have added only one, right? Here I want to add multiple columns. Now alter table employee. Now see here, add age space int. Select star from employee. Select star from employee. Like this we are going to get the data. Now for example, age I have taken int, right? I want to change the data type. Okay, I want to change the data type. How we are going to change? See here, the age data type is what by default. If you check here, describe, show databases, use MotherDB, select. First, if you want to see the tables, you can see the tables like this. Show tables. After seeing the tables, now if you want to check the fields, if you want to check the columns what we are having inside the table, describe employee. Here are the fields. Now see here, basically the value of The age data type is what? Int. Now I want to change this one into, for example, I want to change the field data type into varchar. Now how we are going to change the varchar? See here, alter table employee modify. I want to modify. See here, we are going to use the modify command. Modify age. So basically the age data type is what here? Int, right? So I want to take here varchar age varchar example. Here I want to take 4. Just keep it semicolon. Now see here. Now it is modified. If you want to check, once again take it as describe employee. Describe employee. Now if you check this one, now see here. Now it is changed into varchar instead of int. Like this we are going to do. Okay. Now I want to explain you the difference between, if I want to before that, before I'm going to explain you about like deleting, how to drop a column. Okay. Now see here how we are going to drop a column inside the table. Now see here, alter, again alter command. So if you want to insert a new column, you need to use alter command. Again, if you want to delete a particular column, again alter table. What's the table name here? Employee, right? Alter table employee. So basically see here, select star from employee. Select star from employee. So what are the fields we are having? Designation and age. All these fields we are having, right? Now here, for example, I want to delete designation and age. How to delete? See here, alter table employee. Alter table employee. Drop column. Drop column. So for example, here I want to drop a column designation. So see here now, it is successfully deleted. Column is removed. Again, I want to remove the age column also. Alter table employee drop column age. Now see here, if you want to check again, select star from select star from employee. Check here now, the columns were removed. How we are going to remove? Just by using alter command. Inside that we are going to use drop. Okay. Now we are having some fields right here. We are having some columns, and how we are going to change the column name? Okay. I want to change the column name. How to change the column name? See here now. For example, here we are having a column called address, right? I want to change the address into location. Okay. I want to change the column name of address into location. How I am going to change? Observe here now. Okay. For everything, if you want to perform any operation, we are going to use what? Alter command. Again, see here, alter table employee. I want to change this one, right? So what I want to change? I want to change the column name. How we are going to change the column name? Change. See here, change column. For example, what I'm going to change here? Address column name I want to change. By default, what is having here? Address, right? Address space. What you want to give here? The address I want to change into location. So location. Now in the place of address, what I need to get? Location. Location space varchar of location space varchar of 256. Okay, that's it. Now here that is changed, address column name will be changed into location. If you observe this one, now query okay, rows affected. Now we'll check once. Select star from employee. So how to change the column name? Just what we are doing here. See here now, it is changed into location. In the place of address, what we are getting now? Location. How we are changing? Just we are using by using alter command. Change column. So I want to change this column name as address into location. Location space varchar of 256. Okay. Anything we can change. Okay. Address we can change. Name we can change. For example, in the place of name, you want to get employee name. In the place of ID, you want to get employee ID. How we are going to change? Simply alter table employee change. See here, change column ID space emp underscore id, emp underscore id space int. That's it. You can take like this. Now see here. Again, I want to change name as emp name. Alter table, alter table employee, change, change column, change column name as emp name, emp underscore name, varchar of 256, varchar of 256. Now this one also change. Again, salary also I want to change into employee salary. Now see here, alter table employee, change, change salary, sorry, change, first we need to take column, change column salary as emp underscore salary. I want to take emp underscore salary, and salary also we have taken here varchar, right, varchar of 256. That's it. Now once again, if you want to read the data, now see here, select star from, select star from employee, select star from employee. Like this we are going to change the field name. See here, now in the place of id what we are getting, emp underscore id. In the place of name, emp underscore name. In the place of salary, emp underscore salary, then location. Okay, clear now? Example, I want to change the table name also. How we are going to change the table name? Now see here, what is our table name here? Employee, right? I want to change the table name. Again use the alter command. Alter, alter table employee. So I want to change some another name. Simply we can take here rename to emp underscore data I want to take. Okay, in the place of employee table I want to rename it into emp underscore data. It is renamed. For example, once again, if you are trying to read the data from employee, select a star from, select a star from employee. If you take here, what we are getting, MadhuDB. In the MadhuDB.employee does not exist means what? We are having a database called MadhuDB. Inside that DB we don't have table. What is the table name now? emp underscore data. Now see here, if you take, select a star from, select a star from emp underscore data. If you check this one, now it will work successfully. Now it will work successfully. Clear? Now I'm going to explain you about one more thing. What is the difference between delete, truncate and drop? Difference between, difference between delete, truncate and drop commands. Most important thing. Okay, first one. If you go for delete, we can delete a particular record. Okay, if you want to delete a particular record, then go for delete command. If you want to delete, if you want to delete particular records, then use delete command. Then use delete command. Okay, now truncate, it is used to delete the complete records. If you, it is used to delete all the records. Okay, I'll explain you here. Means what? Whatever the records we are having, all the records is going to be deleted from the table. Now truncate, if there is a requirement of deleting all the records, then go for truncate. Use it to, and one more thing is, if you use delete command, we can roll back the records. Means once we delete, again we can take the records back up. But if you use truncate, again the records will not come permanently. The records are going to be deleted. But if you use delete command, just temporarily it is going to be deleted. That is the difference between truncate and delete. See here, here and if you use truncate command, all the records are going to be deleted. But when it comes to delete, if you want to delete particular records, then you can go for delete. Here truncate means what? Use it to delete all the records. Use it to delete all the records. And drop, now here drop means what? Completely table is going to be removed. Drop, use it to, table also will be removed. Whenever we are using delete and truncate commands, table will be the only data is going to be removed. But when you use drop command, completely the table also going to be removed. Use it to delete a table. Use it to delete a table. Now see here, I'll show you. For example, by using delete command, we can use like this: delete from employee where id is equal to, like this we are going to use delete from employee where id is equal to, for example, here our table name is what, emp underscore data, right? So delete from, not employee, delete from emp underscore data we need to take. Delete from emp underscore data, id name is what, emp underscore id we need to take. Here we need to take what, emp underscore id. Now it will be deleted. Now see here, select star from emp underscore data. Like this it is going to particular it. For example, if you are using truncate command, how we are going to use truncate table emp underscore data. Okay, now see here, all the records will be deleted. Select star from emp underscore, select star from emp underscore data. Now see here, there is no data. For example, that means what, table is there. Here for example, if you go here, show tables, we are having a table called emp underscore data. Okay, if you want to see the fields, you can see the fields also. These are the fields we are having in emp underscore data. Now here I'm going to use drop command. See here, what is the use of drop command? Drop table emp underscore data. Now see here, query is okay. Now once again, if you see the tables, show tables. Now see here, there is no table. Why? Because the table is removed. Okay, like this we are going to work with delete, truncate and drop commands. Okay, and one more thing, one more small concept we are having, we are going to write the queries most probably like aggregate functions. Okay, so aggregate functions means like minimum, maximum, like average, or like sum, how we are going to use. So basically here also we need one table and with some salary. See here, for example, create table employee of id space int name space varchar of 256 salary space varchar of 256. Now here I'm going to insert some records and I'm going to explain you the aggregate functions. Aggregate functions means how to find the maximum salary, how to find the minimum salary, or how to find the average salary of all the employees. These kinds of questions we will be getting now. See here now, insert. First I'm going to insert some data. Insert into employee values of 101 Madhu. Now 45,000. Now here, see here now. So I have inserted some records. Now here I am going to perform the aggregate functions. How we are going to perform the aggregate functions? Now see here. First basically select a star from employee means what? You will be getting the all the records. Select a star from employee. Here are the records. Already we discussed about order by all those things, right? Now for example, see here. If you want to count the number of records, select count of. Select a count of star from. Select count of star from employee. Now see here, totally we are having 4 records. Now if you want to calculate the minimum salary, okay, so we will be having minimum function, maximum function, average, sum. These kind of functions we will be getting. These are called as aggregate functions. These are called as aggregate functions. Now see here, select min of salary, select min of salary from employee. Select minimum of salary from the employee. See here, this is what the minimum salary from, this is what the minimum salary. Similarly, if you want to calculate the maximum salary, select max of, select max of salary from employee. If you want to calculate the maximum salary, Like this we are going to calculate maximum of salary from employee. Now for example, if you want to get the total salary, if you want to see the total salary, we are having a predefined function called sum. Select sum of salary, select sum of salary from employee. Okay, this is what the sum. If you want to calculate the average salary of the employee, select average of salary from employee. These are the aggregate functions. Just we are going to use the functions. Here min is one function, max is function, sum, average. These are nothing but functions. Like this we are going to use the aggregate functions. Okay. So we are going to use mostly classes and aggregate functions, and completely I have explained in select query everything, like how we are going to perform with the queries.